Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I want to show you how we can use OneNote and linked notes. So first of all, in Word, I'm going onto the Review tab, and then you can see where the linked notes icon is at the end there, OneNote. What you have to do first of all though is have a document with some text in it and a saved document. Well, it doesn't actually need text in it, but it needs to be saved. So to get some text, I'm going to go equals rand, which will give me some random text like that. Then I'm going to save this file, just save it as rand, but I put number 1 after it, and then save that. So I've saved the file. So now got that. What I want to do is show you what I've got set up in OneNote. So if I open OneNote, so this is OneNote. So I've created a book, called it Steve, and a section called Courses, and in there I've got a general tab and a Word Edits page, should I say, not tab, page. This is what I want to use. So back to Word. So in Word, what you do is you click on Link Notes, and then it will show you your OneNote area, and then you can click on the bit that you want. So I've clicked on Courses, and there's the Word Edits, so that's what I want. I click OK to that, and then the OneNote screen is docked at the bottom. I've just docked it to the top, but you can have it docked any way you want. I'll just push it to the side. So what you do is you start typing. So I'll just say, let's just number this document for a minute. Let's make out that these are like minutes or something. Somebody's typed up and you want to make a comment on them or remind yourself to do something. So I'll say there, para 1, check content, and then coming down, para 2, and just do whatever you want there. You just type whatever you want there. Check content, and so on and so on. Now, once you've stopped doing your little comments, you can click on this little arrow and it takes you back into OneNote, and you'll see there you've got like a little Word icon with a link back to that document. If I click on that, it jumps back there. If I go back into OneNote, I've got that option there to flick between the two. Now the same process would apply into PowerPoint and other documents, and you can do it from here as well. Linked notes, you can open it from here and go to a file that's been saved and do the same thing, and then the hyperlinks will appear in here. So that's just a very quick video of how you can use linked notes from a Word document, in this case having previously set up your sections and pages in OneNote. So hopefully this little video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.